So guys, right on my screen you can see that this guy have made a lot of profit in the past 30 days, and you can actually see the amount on my screen. So you can see that he has made up to 64,851.63% about 30 days ago, and this guy is actually called Fundix. So I actually found this trader on the Bitunix trading platform. As you can see, I'm on the home screen of my account already, and you can see that you can actually get the app version if you insist on using the app version to browse. You can see the app version at the top, and you can also get it on Play Store, and you can also get it on App Store. And also I found this guy on the copy trading section of this Bitunix trading platform, and you can see that people have been copying in his trades for some time also, and they are making profit from ins. So you can see that at this section you can see his winning rate is about 46.66%, which means that if you have copied this guy's trade, like if you have put up to, let's say, $100 in this guy's trade, and you have copied it and traded it for 30 days like this, you would have made up to 64,000, that is 64,851% of trades. That is, you have been making up to this profit. Let's say you enter with $100 trade, by now you're supposed to have made up to $64,551,000. So you can see that this is what you are supposed to be getting from this guy's trade. So imagine copying pro traders trading input like the one I've showed for you earlier, and you only just need to follow the trades, and you are going to be making profits if they make profits. So if they are making profit, or if they are gaining from their trades, you are going to be gaining from the trade also. So you don't even need to be a pro trader to do all this. So all you need to do is to copy their trades, that is making and entering every single trades they are entering, and you are going to be getting the exact profit ratio which they get in their trades. So in this video I'm going to be talking about this copy trading section of this Bitunix, and how you can make use of it, and how you can get to do copy trading at this platform or at this trading exchange. So I'm going to be teaching you how to find these pro traders in this Bitunix, and how you can also copy their trades and make profit. And also, you know that if you are doing copy trading, you need to make research of any of the pro traders which you are copying their trades. So I'm going to be explaining everything in this video, so just stick to the end, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. In case you don't know, copy trading is a system where you go to all these exchanges like Bitunix, and you get traders, or you make research of traders that have been doing well on the trading system, and you copy their trade directly, and when they make profit, you are going to be making profit also, and when they encounter some losses, you are going to be encounter some losses also. So you make research of the best one, the ones that are doing well in the copy trading system, and you follow or you enter their trades. So before proceeding, give this video a thumbs up so that we can now continue in the video. So I'm going to be dropping the link which you can use to register, or you can use to create an account on this Bitunix exchange in the description section of this video if you're watching from YouTube, or if you're watching from other social media platform like the Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Rumble. I'm going to be dropping the link right below this post, so you can just head over there and click on it, or you can copy it and paste it in your browser, and you can get your account set up. And after setting up your account, if you wish to use the app version, you can download it from the Play Stores, either on your Android or on your iOS. So also note that whenever you register using this my rebate link, and you set up your account using that, you are going to be getting up to 20% bonuses on your first deposit. So this is another interesting thing about this platform, you can see that it's a very interesting exchange which you can use to trade. So whenever you register with my account or with my referral link, you're going to be getting that 20% bonuses. But if you do not register with that my referral link, you're not going to be getting any bonuses. If you come under a referral, that's when you get that bonuses. So take note of that so that you don't miss out on these interesting whooping bonuses. So after setting an account for yourself, and it's been set like this, and you have made your necessary setup and you're good to go for the copy trading, all you need to do is to come to this where you see copy trading here. You can click on it and it's going to take you to the copy trading page directly. So you can see where they wrote become a lead trader, and you can see here they are saying private copy trading and then tutorial. So you don't need to watch the tutorial again because you're already watching this video. So I'm going to be explaining how to make use of it in this video. So you can, in this become a lead trader, if you want other people to copy your trade, you can click on this and set up your account, and other people are going to be watching you as a pro trader and they are going to be copying your trade. And this private copy trading is another different aspect which I'm not going to be explaining that in this video. And also in the lead trader section, when you are a lead trader, when you set up your account, let your followers copy your trade, you are going to be getting 10% of their profits. So you can see you are going to be earning 10%. That's another advantage if you want to be the lead trader. But at this case, you want to copy the pro traders trades. So all you need to do is to come down to this section here where you can see the list of traders here, and you can select either to set it up on a PNL or you can set it up on a ROI. So you can see you can select any of these, and let's say you set it on the PNL, and you can see if you want to check for their past trade for 7 days, is it, and you can still filter that to 30 days, you can filter that to 90 days, you can also filter that to 180 days. That's about half a year or so. Yeah, so that's it, and that's just how it is. And you can then check them out. The ones that has the highest ROI or has the highest percentage, that's the one you are going to be checking out, and the ones that has a lower lose rate, that's what you are going to be checking out. And you can see also people that are currently following them. So you check out for people that have highest followers. You can see here these ones have about 264 followers already, and you can see that its 7 days profit ratio is about 21.95, and you can see it has about 100% win rate. So this is actually a good pro trader which you can copy his trade, and you can see this is just how easy it is to select the best trader and you can copy their trade after you make research and analyze them. And also, if you feel like you know a trader's name at this platform and you want to search for the person, you can just come to this section here, you click on it and you type the name, and the person is going to be showing for you and you can copy the person's trade directly. So let us check for the person that has active followers that are currently copying his trade currently. So let's check. This one is 500. Okay, let's go for this 264 followers that are currently active on this person's trade, and you can see that it's 500 trades already. And if you come down here, you can see his trade is 100% winning rate, and you can see for the past 7 days this guy have made up to $4,896 from his trade. So let's go to his profile and check him out and see what is all about and check more analysis about him. So you can see that his performance on 7 days ago, you can see the ROI is showing here fully, and you can see his winning rate and then the loss rate. So you can see winning trades are 4 and losing trades are 1. So you can see it actually have a high rate of winning. So you can see the overview section and then trading preference and all that stuff. So you can see his position history at this section, and if you go back, you are going to see the trades that he took, and you can see here is SRP USDT and here is APT USDT. And if you go down, you can see other coins that he took trades, and you can see exactly amount that he made from here. So this is the best way for you to analyze the person's trade, and you can see how to make research about them and enter the perfect trade or copy the perfect pro trader which you can use to make profit from it. So you can see that he has been making a lot of trade, and his trade is very accurate and all that. So if you are interested in this person, you can just click on the copy section here, and automatically it's going to take you to a prompt page where you need to input the necessary input which you need to do, and you can. So after clicking on the copy trade on this very page, is going to bring you to this section where you can set the amount which you can use to copy trade, like the amount which you want Bitunix to be entering his or her trade for you. So you can set your stop loss percentage section here, and you can also go to the fixed amount section and enter your amount per order, and you can also enter the amount that is the max amount, and you can also set your stop loss and all that. So after doing that, you can just click on this and then click on copy, then automatically your trade is going to be set. So that's just how easy it is to copy trades in this platform. So make sure you watch out for the pro traders analysis carefully. You need to get everything you need to know if they are really doing well before you enter the trade. But like this one, this guy, he has not entered many trades. He only entered about 4 trades or so. So that's the amount of trade you have just entered. So you need to find other people that have higher trades amounts, and people that are currently following them are high. And also in this followers PNL is supposed to be showing some amount which the person have made, but this one is showing 0. So this shows that yes, this person is not all that good, or is not trading often. So you need to find another pro trader and copy the person's trade, and watch out for all this analysis and research that I've just shown you. So that's just how it is, and this is how this really works. So thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate, and this is what I really have to share with you for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And also remember that there is a bonus that is available on your first time registration using my link. So for you to claim that, you really need to use my referral link so that you can claim the bonus, which is about 10% of your deposit. Which is about 20% of your first deposit. You're going to be getting 20% of your first deposit, which is all yours. And you can also only claim that by just getting referred by me, and the referral link is going to be dropped in either the description section of the video or on below the post, or you can still find it in the comment section depending on where you are watching this video from about now. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Peace.